Good morning children, welcome to class 1 computer. So we are going to see again, let's paint lesson only children. So first we will open the paint. So how to do that? So go click start, all programs, accessories, then your paint over here. So click on them. So your paint window will get opened. So this is the paint window. So children, in this you can draw color and you can draw any shapes also children. So we saw some important tools. They are pencil tool, fill with color tool. Yes, two tools we saw. So where it is located? See here, this is the place your pencil tool is there. So using pencil tool you can draw children. So we will draw something. Okay, like a balloon. Okay, so little it's not perfect. So we will try to draw a balloon. Now we will take this pencil tool and draw that balloon children. Okay, a big balloon you can draw like this. Okay, then join it. Otherwise the color will go outside children. So always you have to a closed line should be there children. Okay. Then you can draw some designs over here for this balloon. You can write happy birthday or something like this. Okay. So in this we will draw the eyes and then fill with black color children. Okay. So a nose like this. Okay, that one also we will join, and then a smiley face like this. Okay, so this one we can color it and see children. So for that select this fill with color tool. Select the fill with color tool. Click on this. So any color you want you can select children. So blue color we will pour in this. Okay, and then some yellow color or this one color we will put over here. Okay, this one is also coming as blue color. So now the color is being changed. You can design it children. Okay, whatever way you want you can select the colors and fill this. So two tools we learned children. One is pencil tool and another one is fill with color tool. Okay, pencil tool and fill with color tool. Okay, now one more tool I am going to show children. See, you have drawn a line like this. Okay, line like this. Now you want to erase this line. So for that we will take the eraser tool. Okay, so go to the tools. Click here like eraser shape only it is the picture. So click to that and you will get a small square box over there. So using that you erase this. Okay, using this you erase this. Okay, so in this way you can use the eraser tool children. Okay. See, one more shortcut key I am telling you. See, to make this eraser big, you can press Ctrl plus. See, the eraser will become big like this. I am continuously pressing Ctrl plus, so eraser can become big. So if you want to reduce the size, size means Ctrl minus you put children. Okay, Ctrl minus, so the size will get decreased like this. Okay, Ctrl plus means it will increase the eraser size. Ctrl minus means it will decrease the size. Okay, so like this you can draw children. So one more we will see draw, that is a leaf we will draw children. Okay, see the center part of the leaf is going like this and you can take out like this. Okay, see it should be always closed one children. Okay, then only you are drawing will come correctly. Still we can draw neatly. Just I'm roughly drawing over here. Okay. So like this. Then you extend this line. Okay. So just we will put on green color for this leaf, children. So for that, select the fill with color. Select the green color using your mouse. Okay. Then pour over here, children. See, as it is not closed, it has gone out of the line. So we will undo it. See, undo it, and then we have to close it, children. Otherwise, we will not know where it is not closed. See, this place I am showing over here. See, this place it is not closed. So that's why the color has come out. So this one we have to close, children. So seeing this, we have to close it. Okay. So then go view under this one. See, like this. Okay. Then you go to home. Okay. Click on the zoom. Little make it big. Now we will fill the color and see, children. So select the color. Go to fill with color tool. Now you see whether it is closed or not. Okay. See, now as it is closed, you are able to fill color to that leaf picture only. Okay. So you should not keep any line open like this freely. So what will happen? The color will come to the full window, children. Okay. So that one you should be careful over that. Okay. So learn it, children. Take your textbook and read. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.